I myself am a clinical psychologist, and I came up with this idea kind of organically. There was one night that I was sitting on the couch with my husband. I think we were watching Shark Tank, and I turned to him and I said, I think I have an idea for an app. My name is Sarah Jasinski, and I am the president and co-founder of Roonie, a digital mental health tool that helps make therapy more efficient. So therapy can be time-consuming and it can be expensive. So we want to make sure that when you're actually in session, you're doing the thing that you came there to do. So the app is going to remind you regularly, like, this is what you came in here to work on. How are you doing with working on those goals? And do we need to change the goals? Because often that happens. But we really needed some help on how to get it going, like how to launch it, how to organize ourselves, how to figure out what the appropriate next steps are. So my husband knew Amy, had recently met her, and we knew that they were launching the Providence Pre-Accelerator program. So we reached out to her, and she was so warm and welcoming and enthusiastic, and it felt like, okay, this is definitely the right step. Like, we have to do this. The program is helpful for somebody like me who wants to launch their business, but maybe doesn't have the network to really help them be successful, or isn't sure what the next steps would be, and knows that there's people out there who do know what those next steps are and are passionate and willing to help. Because I'm a psychologist, I didn't come in with any background on business or entrepreneurship or where to even start. So something that I really value from this program was that it just gave me the language to get started and the steps of what I actually need to do to get started, versus doing like a Google search and spending months and months trying to figure out if I'm doing the right thing or going down the right path. And I genuinely feel like now I have a network of people to go back to and to reach out to when I need their help. Right now, we're working on coming up with a basic prototype for the app. One of the next steps is also applying for some pre-seed funding. And I really appreciate that at the last Pre-Accelerator class, Amy brought in someone from RiHub, and they told us about their services. And I think that that's kind of the next logical step for us to get some mentoring around how to apply for funding. If you want to really develop a strong network of people who are going to support you and beyond when the program ends, then this is a really good place to start. I would encourage people who want to learn more about our app to go to our website and to follow us on social media.